You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, these two words, by the way, once and for all, correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. The top word, this can be either a verb or a noun. As a noun, it's a metal, very heavy metal, that's pronounced lead. You know, the very heavy metal, lead, it's pronounced lead. Now, as a verb, it's pronounced lead, to lead, as in the leader, somebody who leads a group, lead, to lead. So, lead as a noun, lead as a verb. So, same spelling, different pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.